So, hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, I am making all this video guys for humanities and social science student. Guys, I am trying to help you. So, please, if you like this video, please hit the like button and press the bell icon so that you will get notification. Guys, in this video, I will tell you when are admissions for the PhD program held. So, guys, in your mind, one question is roaming every moment, and the question is when get result will be published and when we will be able to apply in IIT. It may be for PhD program or it may be for like MA program. So guys, I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So this is the question and I'll tell you some information about this like question. So when are admissions for for the PhD program held? Okay, so like admissions to PhD, okay, admissions to PhD program at the Department of Humanities and Social Science at IIT Delhi are held twice a year. Actually, so in all IITs like IIT Delhi, okay, PhD program actually at any department, okay, okay, actually are held twice a year. Okay, so you will get two opportunity and applications are usually invited in March and October. So guys, March is coming already. I have made two videos that IIT Gandhinagar and Indian Institute of Science Bangalore already like they have published their PhD notification. Okay, so I will give you the description of those videos. You can check this in my like in the description box of this video. Okay, you can go in the description box of this video. You will explore. You will be able to explore about the previous videos about the PhD notification of IIT Gandhinagar and Indian Institute of Science Bangalore. Okay, so guys, so applications are usually invited in March and October in every year. So the selection process is completed in May and December. So for March application time, so application time for June season is actually March, and at selection process like interview, written test, everything will be completed in May, and for October when like for like December season, so like uh, it is sometimes called as winter season. Okay, so that program will start at the starting of the year, so like January. So forms like will come like in October, forms will come like in October. Okay, and the selection process will be completed in December, and class or project work or like course work will be start in like January. Okay, so intake in particular academic fields will be determined by the advertisement and that is put out each time, and admission to certain academic areas may be open only in March. So sometimes it depends on IIT, like they will take if like if there is any vacancy for December season, they can take the student for December January season. Okay, that is winter season. But sometimes it can be seen like some IIT actually they do not publish notification in winter season. So sometimes you can only get opportunity to apply in PhD in March only. Okay, so this is all about today. Thank you, all the best, and I'll upload many videos when notification will come, and I will let you know. Okay, so guys, this is all about today. Thank you, tata, bye bye from my side, and all the best, and Bande Mataram, Jai Hind.